My name's Sam, I'm Contract Administrator at Prebuilt. Lagoon Pavilion is a double-storey sporting pavilion with a large social space and balcony consisted of 23 modules. Full turnkey project including all service connections, civil works and landscaping. Being a tight access site in a built-up residential area, one of the main benefits was minimal interruption to the surrounding community. We were able to get the building delivered and installed within 3 days with minimal impact to the residents and the community. The contract documentation was of a modular design at the very beginning. As we proceeded through the preliminary stage, we worked in closely with the council at City of Port Phillip and the council's allocated architects to finalise the modular design and be able to provide our input to ensure effective and efficient design. At the completion of the project, we received some really positive feedback from both the client, the City of Port Phillip, and the building surveyor from the City of Port Phillip, which was really humbling and a positive way to finish a successful project.